Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my Misfits box. Things are crazy busy. I am so busy right now. I barely have time to unbox this for you, but I know you guys love these videos and I just want to say thank you for watching my videos and thank you for leaving me comments and liking my videos. It's amazing to me that so many people want to watch me unbox vegetables. I mean, that's super cool. Thank you. And if you haven't tried Misfits Market yet, but you want to, there's a link in the description down below where you can give them a try and save some money at the same time. If you do that, I'll save some money off my next box. I really appreciate that. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Flap is always in the way, isn't it? Problem solved. We cut it off. That's the first time I've ever done that. Should have done that before. Maybe I should do that with this. Look at that. Why haven't I ever done that before? It would have been so much easier if I had done that earlier. We have our useless piece of cardboard. It's this flimsy thing. I don't know why they do it. Portobello mushroom caps. I've actually gotten Colin into eating these, and he used to kind of roll his eyes about eating mushrooms. He likes the way I do these, and I just put them in, oh, it's not over there, but I have a Ninja Foodie. It's a grill-like thing. We retired our old George Foreman grill because everything used to get stuck to it. Got this Ninja Foodie. I do them in there and he likes them that way. Some organic romaine hearts. These look actually really good and these are different from the ones that we have been getting from Misfits. These were packaged on 12/30. They look good. Some broccoli. They didn't have broccolini this week, guys. It's a bummer, but we got some nice looking broccoli. These are two very large broccolis. I'm happy with that. They now have this, the Demi Baguettes, where there's two in the package. I hadn't seen them before, and I got them from Imperfect a few weeks ago. If you missed that video, there's a link to it in the description down below. But now Misfits has these take and bake artisan bread Demi Baguettes, and this is certified organic. I've gone through the ingredients before, so I'll just do it really quick.
Organic, unbleached wheat flour, water, sea salt, and yeast.
That is all that's in here. That's pretty good, pretty clean. That's what we want to see. And we've got some kind of sad looking scallions. I don't know, guys. These are really sad. I don't remember what I paid for them. Stay with me here and I'll go over my receipt so that you can see what each of these things cost me. Some rosemary. This actually looks pretty good. These awesome green beans that we've been getting. These are the French haricot vert. They are... I lost my audio and I had to go get another. You can hear that because I'm tapping on it. So I put them down my shirt so you don't see them. I had to go get the other one because apparently the battery was dead, even though I thought I charged it. But now we have this one. And I don't know where the audio stopped working. So I was talking about fennel being amazing. I was talking about the limes. We have 5 really nice looking limes. These huge lemons. The haricot vert. The awesome broccoli. Not sure at what point the audio stopped working. Honestly, I'm not sure. Oh, was it when I was talking about the smushed up baby spinach? Maybe. Can't really redo an unboxing. It's not any good if you try to redo it. Doesn't work. Hopefully I'll be able to salvage this. We'll just see. And we have some organic Bello imported Southern Italian tomatoes. These look these always are good. I actually really love these. These are Whole30 approved, gluten-free, which makes sense for tomatoes. Tomatoes are part of the Dirty Dozen. If you go by the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen, tomatoes are on the Dirty Dozen list. You want to do organic whenever possible. If you can't do organic, you want to make sure that you get the imported ones. These are both imported and organic. The reason for the imported ones is because the agricultural laws in Europe are much stricter than they are in the United States, unfortunately. I mean, good for Europe, but bad for us. So I trust things that are European a little bit better than I trust our American grown stuff, unless it's organic. All of this is organic. Everything so far. This next thing is not organic, I don't think. I don't think this is organic. Although, I could be wrong. This is Chosen Foods Classic 100% avocado oil-based mayonnaise. This is cage-free eggs, soy oil, and canola oil-free. That's kind of a weird way to phrase that. You see that on there? That's a weird way to phrase that. It sounds super confusing. It has no canola oil, no soy. That's good. It's made from avocado oil. It is not organic. It is pretty clean. Next best thing. That was our first thing that was conventional, but clean conventional. And then we have my favorite. I love this so much, and I just keep ordering it because I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to get it. The Fever Tree Grapefruit Soda. This is not organic, but it has no artificial sweeteners. It's so good. If you haven't tried this, give it a try. And I've got 4 of these in here. 2. 3. And number 4. So 4 of those. Okay. I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's not a lot this time, honestly. This is what my sink looks like. It's not a lot of stuff. It's definitely a lighter order than I've had in the past. Then over here we have the Fever Tree and the Organic Bella tomatoes. Let's take a look at that receipt. The spinach is $2.99. The scallions, these really, really pathetic scallions. This was $1.29. That was totally not worth it. The green beans, $3.99 for a pound. The limes, $2.29 for 5. Organic Portobello mushroom caps were $2.99. The broccoli was $3.99. Romaine lettuce, organic romaine lettuce was $3.99. The Meyer lemons were $3.99, and that is much lower than they were. I believe it was on sale, so that's a deal. The rosemary was $1.99. Bread, the Demi Baguettes were $4.49, and the whole loaves were actually cheaper than the Demi Baguettes, but I really like the Demi Baguettes because I can cook one and then I can freeze the other one and save it for another time, and I feel like that's a super great idea. The grapefruit soda was 4 for $5.99, and these are really large. These are each 16.9 ounces, so these are large. The mayo was $3.99, and for Chosen Foods, that's a good deal. Fennel was $2.09. My subtotal was $48.45. Shipping was $4.50, and someone used my code. Thank you for using my code. So I got $15 off my order, and they got $15 off their order. That brought my total down to $37.95. Misfits says I saved $24.45. What do you think? Does that sound like, I feel like this is a total deal, guys. That's why I continue to use Misfits, because everything may not be great all the time. The value for what you spend is definitely there. It's the best bang for your buck outside of Lancaster Farm Fresh, which is great. The drawback with Lancaster Farm Fresh is I don't get to pick what I get. It's fun for every other week. It works that way. I do sometimes need specific things, and Misfits has the pantry items like the mayo and the bread and my favorite grapefruit soda. There's a need for both Lancaster Farm Fresh and Misfits, and occasionally I try other things like Farm Box. I did a couple weeks ago, or last week maybe. Imperfect Foods I do from time to time to check in with them to see how they're doing. If you like this kind of content, and if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, other videos that can help you with your fitness, nutrition, and figure skating too, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And you'll get notified whenever I post a new video, and you won't miss them. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.